Welcome back. The Emeritus Institute has been with us for quite some time, and we have Julia Shriver here, who is a teacher and is also going to tell us about some classes that she would like you to join in on. Well, welcome. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
So you're an art history teacher?
I am.
And how long have you been doing that?
I have taught at the college level for over 15 years.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. And what makes you love art history so much?
Art history is very engaging because, first of all, it blends the art with history, and I love history. And there's so much depth you can get into just looking at one work.
Right.
And everyone perceives it differently. And I like getting people excited about it.
Okay.
And it's just a great class. It's fun.
So what would be one of your, what's a typical class for you, an art history class? What can the person...
Well, I teach two different types. There's two that are, Impressionism to Contemporary.
Okay.
And then the other one is an art appreciation course that's a little more general. But basically, we hit on all different types of artists. And this semester, we'll be talking about the Impressionists, particularly Renoir.
Oh, okay.
And then we will also talk about Rockwell, contemporary artists. A lot of the older adults like to learn about the contemporary artists.
Sure.
Maybe artists they've never explored before. And so, you know, I try to introduce new artists to them as well.
Okay.
And these are continuous learners, and they're really interested in new topics.
Okay. Now, you teach at varying places, or the classes are art. So contemporary art and culture is when?
We have two sessions on Wednesday and Thursday mornings from 9 to 11.
Okay.
One is at St. Killian's, and one is at the Methodist Church on Moulton.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then the other one is on Fridays, and that's at yet another church location.
Oh, okay, so that's nice. So you don't necessarily, you don't have to go to the college to take the classes. You have a varying locations.
A lot of them are very close.
Oh, okay, that's
Laguna
great.
Woods.
Oh, good. Yeah. Okay, perfect, perfect. And then field trips. I know that would be one of the things that I would hope that you would go to. So where do you go? Which museums?
Well, a lot of them get very excited about driving into LA and not having to drive their cars.
Yeah, no kidding.
On a bus is awesome. It's relaxing. You can sit and read or look out the window and not worry about anything. And then we usually go to a restaurant, then we'll sometimes go to the museum, Norton Simon, the Getty.
Oh, I was going to say, do you go to the Getty? That would be awesome.
Now, last fall, we were booked to go to the Getty the day the fires broke out.
That's
and
too
I get
bad.
a call. Well, this was what was funny. We called Norton Simon and said, please, please, please take us. And so we went to Norton Simon.
Oh, you did instead.
And we went to the Old Town because the bus was ready.
Yeah. Oh, good. So you made do. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So you go to the Museum of Contemporary Art, the Getty, and then you also do some stuff in San Diego.
San Diego, Balboa Park. We've also gone to Palm Springs Museum of Art.
Okay.
So, I mean, we cover a lot of space. I usually will do about 3 or 4 field trips a semester. I try to get the students to at least engage in one of them.
Right.
Now, some of them don't wish to go on that, and that's okay, too.
Okay. Do they have homework?
No, they don't. A lot of them read. A lot of them bring me articles. But, you know, I might encourage them to put together some sort of presentation about their artwork, maybe, or maybe an artist they're interested in, and we do that the very, very last day, and about 25% participate.
Oh, well, that's good. At least, the participation is super important. I mean, they're already there. They might as well just join in and learn something and teach something to someone else, right?
Yeah, and they get to know other people and other students, and they are always chatting with each other, so it's great.
That's great. Now, you said you've been teaching at the college level, so when did you transition over to Emeritus, or do you still do both?
I still do both, but I teach most of my classes with Saddleback Emeritus, and I've been with Saddleback Emeritus 5 years now.
Okay, so still a pretty long time.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. That is great. So now, what about if someone wants to take the classes? Do they have to have some classes beforehand, or no?
There are no prerequisites. A lot of these people have, a lot of my students have never had an art history course, and they're a little bit hesitant, but absolutely no, nothing's required. Now, a lot of them are experts. They've taken these open repeatability, and they are they know their stuff. So you have to keep the material fresh and engaging and introduce new artists. That's very, very important.
Okay, okay, great.
So.
And then you have, there's an Emeritus satellite office. Where is that at?
The Emeritus.
Well, you have here that there's an Emeritus Institute satellite office that is a Monday through, there's different hours for that.
Well, let's see. As far as satellite, there's many places that Saddleback
Are there certain hours that people should be? Oh, okay.
Now, in order to sign up for a class, that is at Clubhouse 4.
Oh, okay, good.
And so they can sign up there. But no, there's lots of satellites.
Okay, good.
Because Saddleback Emeritus is huge, and there's just so many classes.
So to sign up, though, they just go to that Clubhouse?
They go to the Clubhouse 4, or they go online, saddleback.edu, and they click on the Emeritus section. But if they are, a little hesitant, they're not comfortable with the computer, they can go to Clubhouse 4.
Oh, perfect.
And they can do that. That's great, too.
Excellent. All right. Well, thank you so much. It sounds very exciting.
No
And
problem.
when does the semester start?
The semester starts on August 19th.
Okay.
So, and again, you can enroll right now. I have a few seats left.
Oh, good.
But the classes are, fairly large. They're lecture courses.
Sure.
But some discussion is certainly definitely open. I mean, we have a good time.
Excellent. Well, thank you. Nice to meet you. And remember, if you want more information about Emeritus classes, you can go to saddleback.edu. We'll be right back.